Everyone, today I'm going to ask a question which came in GATE 2020 in the civil paper. The question is about ordinary differential equations, and it says that for the ordinary differential equation d2x by dt square minus 5 dx by dt plus 6x is equal to 0 with initial condition x 0 0 and dx by dt 0 is equal to 10. The solution is okay. So I'm giving you the four options. The first option A is x is equal to minus 5 e power 2t plus 6 e power 3t. Option B is x 5 e power 2t plus 6 e power 3t. Option C is x is equal to minus 10 e power 2t plus 10 e power 3t. And option D is x is equal to 10 e power 2t plus 10 e power 3t. Write your answers in the comment box and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more questions of objective type.